How much energy is used by a 100-watt light bulb, which is left on for a week? It then asks us to answer in both joules and kilowatt hours, and decide which was easier. Okay, so first thing, what do we have? What do we need? It's asking of us about energy. That's what we don't know. How much energy is there? It's telling us power, because watts is a measurement of power. So it's telling us power is 100 watts. And it says the time is a week. Now, obviously, that's not an SI unit, and it's also not in hours. So that time we're going to have to fiddle with a little. The formula we need then, energy is power times time. If we want to answer this in SI units to get our answer in joules, we put in power in SI units, which is the watt. This is already in watts. Isn't that nice? Saves us some work. And then time, we need time in seconds. That's a problem because we have 1 week. So let's think a little bit here. And how many seconds are in a week? Well, 1 week is 7 days. And it's 24 hours. And there are 60 minutes in an hour. And there are 60 seconds in a minute. And that means 1 hour is equal to 604,800 seconds. So we do the computation there. To multiply by 100, I'm essentially just adding two zeros. And you can see we've got about 60 million joules. 60,480,000 joules, or about 60 megajoules. And that's the first part of this question. If we had wanted to answer this in kilowatt hours, we are still using E equals P times T, but this P needs to be in kilowatts now, and the time needs to be in hours in order for our units to come out as kilowatt hours. So, what's going to go in there? Well, how many kilowatts is 100 watts? A kilowatt is 1,000 watts. 100 is just 1/10 of that, or 0.1 kilowatts, times the number of hours. Well, again, we have to work things out here. There are 7 days in a week, and 24 hours in a day. So that makes for 168 hours. We multiply these out, we get 16.8 kilowatt hours. And I leave it to you to decide which of those was the easiest way of doing this question.